particular program, the program that we got an award for, is titled Arogya Vibhagya, meaning health is wealth, and the sub-theme on this particular program was on nutrition. This particular program was made by visually impaired people. We do have auto driver RJ Shivkumar. We have a very active group from the LGBT community, of which one of them is RJ Priyanka. We've just started working with sex workers. The RJ will be launched shortly. We also have a husband and wife RJ from waste picker community. So RJ Salma and RJ Siddiq from the waste picker community. So we have different groups that we work with, apart from the regular slum dwellers. They look after the day-to-day station running of the station. We don't really interfere in that. They decide the content of the program. They decide what time it should go on air. They even come in and switch on the transmission. So we don't have any kind of supervision. So each community chooses an RJ, and then they decide how to take it forward, including coordinating listening committee meetings, or it could be program committee meetings, or it could be an outreach activity. Everything is covered by them. So they are more or less independent. It is again specific based on interest. Like with the waste pickers, then it goes on to the waste picker community. I'm not saying that it doesn't mean that the other people don't listen to it. They do. But primarily the waste pickers would network with the waste picker groups, or the animal activists would network with them. We haven't really done a formal survey, so it's very difficult to say that how many people we reach out to. But based on the numbers, like for instance in India, in Bangalore, it's estimated that there are about more than 15,000 transgenders, LGBT community. But there's no formal survey conducted, so it's difficult to actually trace the actual population.